Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's look because I don't think I've ever done an all gray look, or if I did, I must have done it years ago, but I really wanted to do a matte gray look and something a little bit modern and exciting and pair it with a nice bright lip. I'm really excited about this look. I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. So if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the BH Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this dark gray. With my Sigma E65 small angle brush, I'm going to start off by lining my upper lash line. And then picking up a little bit of the shadow on the brush, I'm going to start outlining the shape of the cut crease. And I do this just looking straight ahead into the mirror. Now I'm switching over to the Smashbox Multitasking Detail Brush, and this brush is so cool. It is pointed at the tip, so I'm going to just start using the very tip of this brush, and I picked up the shadow just on the tip of it. I'm going to start by really defining that line. Look at how precise I can be with this brush. And I'm going to just stop that right here because I am going to start blending out that line slightly, and it's just going to help buff everything out. I'm now picking up this medium gray. Now going into my Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender brush, I'm going to place this just on top of that line and then start going back and forth and applying that shadow. It might look a little bit harsh right now, but don't worry, it's going to look amazing at the end. Okay, we kind of look crazy right now, but I'm now going to take the same brush, and there's barely anything left on here, and I'm holding the brush at the very end of the handle just so I have a really, really light hand, and I can just go over top and start diffusing out the edges. And then I'm just going to keep going back and forth between this shadow and then applying the darker gray to define that line and then blending it out again. I'm going to pick up this Sigma E33 Detail Diffuse Crease brush, and it's a much softer brush but also still pointed at the very tip. So I'm just going to keep going back and just buffing this out to make sure the edges are really nice and blended, and then we're going to go back and redefine that line. Now going into this light gray, with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start packing the shadow onto my lid. And using the brush and shadow, I'm just going to lightly carve out the crease. I'm now picking up this white, and now to brighten up the shadow a little bit more, I'm going to apply this white over top. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. I'm going to leave my lower lash line bare, but I am just going to line my upper waterline with this black liner just to really define my lashes and make them look nice and thick. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. I'm loving this look. I'm getting nice modern vibes, and I love that I left the lower lash line bare to keep the concentration all on my lid shadow. It looks so pretty. I love it. And one of my favorite combinations with gray shadow is a red lip, so that is what I'm going to do today. And I kept the eyes matte, but I wanted to spice things up and pair this look with a shiny lip. So I'm going to the Buxom Baba Plum Shiny Liquid Lipstick in Boldly Go. And that is it. This is the completed look of my matte gray cut crease makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed with the look. I love it so much. I love that I left it all matte, but I think it would look so pretty if you just popped on a little bit of shimmer, just a little sparkle on your lid. And I think if you put on some individual lashes on your lower lash line and make it look really kind of 60s and twiggy, I think that would make it look so cool and fun. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be down in the description box. And also I created a TikTok, so if you want to follow me on there as well, everything will be down in the description box. And the list of all the products that I used today, along with the brushes that I used, will be listed down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!